Imagine being stranded 2,000 feet above the ground. The wind howls around you. The ladder that got you here is gone and your supplies are dwindling. Every move could be your last. This is not just a scene from the movie Fall. This could happen in real life. And today we'll show you exactly how to survive it. The best survival strategy? Avoiding the situation in the first place. If you're planning to climb any structure, whether for adventure, maintenance, or thrill-seeking, these are the essentials you need.
Climbing harness and rope. Without these, one mistake could be fatal. Always secure yourself before making a dangerous move. Gloves and proper footwear. A strong grip and firm footing can mean life or death. Slipping on sweat or dust is a real threat. Helmet and protective clothing, falling debris, rusty metal, and unexpected weather changes are constant dangers. Backup supplies, always carry extra water, a power bank, a flare, and high-energy snacks.
Would you trust your life to a 20-year-old ladder? Before you climb, inspect everything.
Look for rust and corrosion. A rusty joint could snap under your weight. Check for loose bolts and weak spots. Tap metal surfaces. Hollow sounds mean internal damage. Test weight on every step. Never assume the next rung is safe. Apply slow, controlled pressure before stepping.
Part 2, Trapped at the Top, Survival Strategies.
Staying calm and conserving energy.
Your worst enemy in survival isn't height, it's panic. Panic drains energy and leads to fatal mistakes.
Breathe deeply. Slow, steady breaths regulate your heart rate and keep you thinking clearly.
Sit and secure yourself. Use a harness, belt, or even torn clothing to tie yourself to the structure.
Avoid wasting strength. Every unnecessary movement depletes energy and increases dehydration. Finding and conserving water.
Dehydration will kill you faster than hunger. In extreme conditions, you have 3 days without water before organ failure sets in.
Collect morning dew. Wipe surfaces with clothing and wring out the moisture.
Catch rainwater. Use any available material to direct rain into a container or your mouth.
Minimize sweat loss. Avoid unnecessary movement and direct sunlight. Your body can survive weeks without food, but you need energy to stay focused and strong.
Ration small bites. If you have food, eat in tiny portions to stretch supplies. Avoid eating without water. Digestion accelerates dehydration. Use mental strength. Hunger is psychological. Distract yourself by planning an escape. Part 3, Escape Strategies, Getting Down Safely.
Descending is twice as dangerous as climbing up. Your grip is weaker, and one mistake could be the end.
Always keep 3 points of contact. 2 hands and 1 foot, or 2 feet and 1 hand must always be secured. Distribute weight carefully. Move slowly. Shifting too fast could break a weak structure. Use clothing as rope. Tie sleeves, shoelaces, or backpack straps together to create a makeshift descent aid. If the ladder is gone, you need an alternative. A rope descent requires precision.
Tie knots for grip. Use a double fisherman's knot or Prusik knot for better control.
Wrap your hands in fabric. Prevent rope burns by using gloves or extra clothing.
Descend in small increments. Never slide. Lower yourself carefully hand over hand.
Jumping is the last resort, but if there's no choice, here's how to increase survival chances.
Look for soft ground. Sand, bushes, or loose dirt absorb impact better than concrete.
Land feet first, knees bent. This absorbs shock and prevents head injury.
Roll on impact. Spread the force across your body, never land stiff.
Part 4, Signaling for Rescue.
Light and reflection can be your best friends in a survival situation. Use a mirror or any metal object. Sunlight flashes can be seen for miles.
And remember, flash a light source in threes. 3 short flashes signal distress.
When it comes to creating sound signals, using metal to bang on a tower can be surprisingly effective.
The echo from the metal carries much further than your voice ever could.
Also, shout in intervals. Save your energy. Short bursts of yelling are way more effective. Writing SOS messages is crucial when you're in need of rescue.
Carve into the structure. Use a sharp object to scratch a distress signal.
And don't forget, drop notes weighted with small objects. Attach them to shoes or batteries so they don't blow away.
Part 5. Real-life survival stories and final thoughts. Real survivors of high-altitude traps.
Aaron Ralston, famously known from 127 Hours, was trapped in a canyon and amputated his own arm to escape.
And then there was the construction worker in China who spent 15 hours on a crane. He survived by staying calm and signaling for rescue. Final tips. Think ahead before climbing. Stay calm if trapped. Be smart and resourceful. Your survival depends on it.